From industrial robots to basketball shoes, the future is connected. Developing industrial devices for the Internet of Things can be complex, blending traditional engineering and coding. The SensorTile.box PRO programmable wireless IoT node makes industrial IoT sensing simple with a single compact device connectable through Bluetooth to any smartphone. Configuration for connectivity is simple. The SensorTile.box PRO ships ready to connect to industry-standard cloud services like AWS and Microsoft Azure. The code-free design makes the unit highly adaptable for industrial sensing, prototyping, training, or even embedded in end-use products. The SensorTile.box PRO is great for fast iteration wearable sensor product development thanks to a wide array of built-in sensors, a 6-axis inertial measurement, a 3-axis accelerometer, a 3-axis magnetometer, a digital temperature sensor, a pressure sensor, and a digital microphone audio sensor. The unit features onboard Bluetooth with minimal power draw, an NFC tag, and a micro SD card slot for standalone data logging applications. The core of SensorTile.box PRO's high performance is an ultra-low-power Cortex-M33 processor with trust zone security. It is powered by a 480 mAh long-life battery. Charging is wireless or through the USB-C charging port. Designers can use the device right out of the box using STMicroelectronics Sensor Classic app available on Google Play and on the App Store. As needs evolve, the app works with the SensorTile.box PRO for application development, data logging, plotting, publishing on the cloud, sensor data reception and command transmission via Bluetooth. Developers can hit the ground running with a library of app examples to speed new product development. Getting started is easy with full support by STMicroelectronics with an extensive user manual, quick start guide, CAD resources, embedded software tutorials and a community to share ideas. SensorTile.box PRO lets you begin your industrial Internet of Things journey, right now.